Alright, today's video, just exhaust clips from my B8S4. I have a double ECS X pipe, so basically the downpipe X pipe from them, and then the mid muffler delete, there's also an X pipe. And all that makes up to the stock rear mufflers. So, yeah, this video is going to have a cold start, then some revs, and some soft launches because the clutch needs to be replaced. Okay, so as far as the ECS downpipes, I'm pretty sure they're 2.5 inch in diameter, and you have an option of getting ones that made up to the factory exhaust, which is 2.25, or ones that are, can made up to 2.5 inch aftermarket exhaust. So I went with, because the mid muffler delete X pipe is 2.25, I went with the factory exhaust option that they offer. So one thing to look at if you're gonna go with this type of setup.
Damn.
Gonna be replacing the rear mufflers with straight through mufflers, so like and subscribe and stay tuned.